Hi, I'm Keith Crone. I'm one of the sales consultants here at Bucars RV. Quite often I'll walk by this display and it says new, ask about the Thetford Sanicon Turbo holding tank emptying system with macerator. The only problem is nobody asks. So rather than wait, I was going to tell you about it. I want to take you outside now and demonstrate how it works. So follow me. So here we are outside with a motorhome that's equipped with the Thetford macerator system. So you open this up here, take this out of here, pull the hose out, take this cap off, set it in there. Come over here, select black first, pull this, turn on the pump, right there. When the black's done, come over here, pull the gray, turn the pump on. The gray will rinse the system, close the valve. Give this a little tap, put the cap on. We're done. That's the most beautiful option. We have it right here in the parts department. Come and see our guys. Get it. You'll love it.